In the last part we saw how we can log into the Instagram. In this part we'll see how we can send messages to the users. Now we'll create a function send underscore DM and pass username. Now we'll create the send underscore DM function where we receive the username. We will use browser.get to navigate to the Instagram direct message URL where we can send direct messages. Now we'll go to the URL and see what we have to do. We have to go to this URL and then we have to find the input where we have to enter the username. We'll use the following name query box to enter the username and then search for the username. Then we have to check the user, so we'll be using the following class name to check the checkbox. Then after checking the box we'll get the next button. Then we have to press the next button using the class. Then find the text area and type the message. And to send the message we have to select the send button. So we have to use the following class, but we can see that there are many buttons with the similar class name. There are 9 buttons. So the last is the send button. Now when you go to the URL you'll get a message for accepting the notification. You can select the button not enough and then click the button using dot click. Then you have to enter the username in the query box, so you select the element by name query box and then enter the username, then sleep, then check the check mark using the class name and again click the check mark using dot click, then sleep for a few seconds, then click the next using the class name again, then sleep, then use by tag name to select the text area where you have to write the message and use dot send keys to send the message. And you can use the CSS selector to select the list of buttons using the class and select the last button using length of the button -1. Send messages to multiple users. We'll create a user list where it stores the list of users. You can add as many users you want. You have to enter the username separated by a comma, then use for user in user list and call the function and pass the username. It gets the username one by one and call the function for each username. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.